So what's good, y'all? I don't know exactly what I'm gonna call this channel yet, but just know we finna do a whole lot of POVs, man. Right now I'm in a Bentley Flying Spur Edition 8. And yeah, man, y'all just finna do a little drive along with me, bro, today. I hope y'all doing well, man. You feel me? I just drive a lot of cool, fast shit, so it's like, man, I might as well start showing this shit off in my videos or whatnot. Yeah, bro. You feel me? My boy, he was like, bro, you better be making content. I'm like, okay, well, let me start making content then. You feel me? That's cool. But yeah, bro, as y'all can see, man, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the interior or whatnot. Blue on, black. Pretty smooth, pretty cool. Position 8, like I said. Yeah, man, it ain't too bad. Let me turn this fan down. But yeah, y'all gonna see a lot of different vehicles, such as like AMGs, Bentleys, some of the cool, faster things that we drive. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm really just gonna be cruising. So y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Little pull for y'all, man. This ain't quick though. This is more of like the luxury, so it's not as sporty. You can't really hear the exhaust like that, but it's quick though. Don't get me wrong. Let me roll the window up. It's quick though for sure. But yeah, man, hope y'all doing well, man. Shit, we got 4th of July coming up. You feel me? I'm definitely finna turn up, catch a little vibe or whatnot, man. I'm too ready, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I just love, like, the summertime. Like, okay, everybody hate the summertime for some reason, but me, bro, I'm the type of guy that really, bro, I don't know, bro. I love being in the summer. I love being in the sun. I love being outdoors, so man, just look at the weather, bro. Like, I can't complain, bro. When it look like this, it's just a little different, you feel me? But yeah, I don't know. The winter is cool. You know, I like to get swaggy or whatnot. But, you know, other than that, I don't really care for it like that. It's cold, bro. It's cold, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? From the south, so. But yeah, man. It's pretty cool, man. It's a nice car, bro. Definitely luxury. If you never drove a Bentley before, which I'm sure a lot of y'all haven't, but y'all will, you feel me? Just hold it down. You know what I'm saying? Hold it down. You might be able to. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, driving a Bentley is pretty cool, bro. It drives smooth. It's super luxury. Everything just feels like quality. From the turn knobs to the sound quality in here to how it rides to how it goes over potholes to how it accelerates. It's just luxury, bro. So yeah, bro. Shit, y'all just enjoy this little ride along, man. I'm gonna pick up the camera in a second. So I wanted to go a little bit more in depth about what this channel is gonna be. Y'all never gonna know who I am, bro. Like, I have to keep it incognito, but just know I drive a lot of fast, cool shit. You feel me? Like, I get in a lot of crazy cars. I drive them. You know what I'm saying? I drive them. Sometimes I cut up, sometimes I don't. But you know what I'm saying? 9 times out of 10, I'm driving something pretty cool. You feel what I'm saying? So y'all gonna see that, bro. Y'all pretty much gonna be my eyes. As of right now, I don't have a mount, so I'm holding it. I'm holding the camera, but I am going to have invested a mount very, very soon. get y'all some good quality or whatnot. You feel me? But yeah, man, this is something that's not so fast, but it's just fire. So I had to show y'all. But once I get in something a little bit faster, I'll be able to do some pulls for y'all or whatnot. And yeah, bruh, this definitely a head turner though. I'm talking about everybody just be staring at you, bruh. You be feeling like that, nigga, when you riding this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. I be feeling like that nigga, bruh. I be feeling like Rick Ross in this motherfucker, man. Feel me? Yeah, bro. Coming up on some traffic. Definitely got to drive this with some, you feel me? Brakes are beautiful on here. Man, you want some smoke? Man, his MA wants some smoke. I'll do his ass in that bit. Oh God. Yeah, gang. Y'all see how we living. It's an old lady in there. Y'all see how we living, man. Living big, living large. I want to show this because, bro, a few years ago, I never thought I'd be driving some cars like this, bro. So it's like, man, it's pretty cool to be in this position to be able to drive these cars on a daily basis. So like I said, man, y'all stay tuned with this channel because I'm going to be showing y'all a whole lot of different like sometimes in the day, sometimes in the night, sometimes a loud shit, sometimes some quality luxury shit, you feel me? Big Bentley B to start out though, so I hope y'all understand I'm setting the bar pretty high for y'all. So yeah, man, y'all enjoy it, man. So let me know what else y'all want to see on this channel pertaining to you know, POVs, what type styles y'all want, man. If y'all don't want me to talk, if y'all want me to talk, I can do some rainy day POVs, maybe some nighttime POVs, try to get in what I can. Not with this car specifically, but with the numerous amount of cars that we're gonna have on this channel. But yeah, it's gonna be definitely a lot of AMGs, man. I'm definitely got some good exhaust that y'all gonna hear you know, coming up very, very soon, man. I'm excited for this channel, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It's like, bro, it's just like, bro, my partner, he was just like, man, niggas ain't never gonna drive no Bentley for real. So I was like, bro, let me give y'all my point of view. Let me show y'all my world. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm trying to do, man. This ain't on no flexing shit. This is all motivational, you feel me? You can be in one of these too. You just gotta work for it. Gotta work for it, bruh. You gotta really want it. So get up and go get it. You feel me? I really was gonna wait for my mount to come in, but I really just said, fuck it. Let me pick up the camera and let me do what I do. You feel what I'm saying? So hopefully this might be a little bit of a shorter video, but see, like, this bitch get up, man. It might be somewhat of a shorter video, but yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this guy. About this thing right here. Yeah, man. I hate a dump truck, bruh. These niggas be having shit flying out the back and all types of. Let me see if I can open this up for y'all a little bit. This van get over this up. Yeah, man. But yeah, y'all, ain't too much going on other than this. I'm about to pull up to my destination. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, man. Hopefully y'all got some inspiration, man. Hopefully y'all are looking forward to the channel and where it's gonna be at. Yeah, bro. I really don't have no expectations for this channel except for this shit just to go up, bro. Shit, y'all niggas that like cars, like to see cars really be driven, shit. You feel me? You in the right place. So I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. And yeah, subscribe, like the video, all that extra shit. You feel me? Yeah, man. I'm gonna kick it with y'all later.